Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 Boulevard S40. This is the 650cc air-cooled single-cylinder cruiser, lightweight, narrow, low seat height, great starter bike, but yet it's got plenty of power for the highway. Belt drive, so no chain to mess with. This bike only has 1,977 miles. Beautiful metallic red in color. Electric start, 5-speed transmission. Come on by, check it out. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. This bike's only $44.99. Make your motorcycle dreams come true. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.